So here is how you can set up your Zoom and make it work for you for a meeting, to going live on Facebook, accessing your recordings, and also sharing those as well. So you want to go on your desktop to zoom.us, scheduling your meetings, getting your recordings, your stats, all that stuff has to be done from a desktop and not your phone. So you would just sign in. And this Zoom is set up just for PC coaching. You will just be using that only for this particular Zoom that we're using right here for today. So you would just go into schedule a meeting. So we got to do that so I can show you how to do it. We'll just say my meeting 2020. If you want a description, if you need to put like who is it with, you can do that there, or just whatever you want to do. So we're going to keep it for today at 3 o'clock, and it'll be an hour. And if it's recurring, you can set that it's recurring. You want to make sure it's on Central Time. You want to make sure it's on PM, not AM. You can generate automatically a random ID, or you can use this personal meeting ID, which will always be that number. So if you want to just give out the same number every single time, you will want to use your personal ID. If you generate it, it'll be a different one for each person. So that's up to you how you want to do it. However, you need to know that you cannot have two Zoom meetings from the same account going at the same time. So you cannot have a Zoom meeting at 3 o'clock and another Zoom meeting at 3 o'clock from the same account. It will not let you. So you just need to remember that. So these are just where you go if you want. Yes, we definitely want a video for host and participants. Audio, always both. You want to enable join before host. That means that they can get into the meeting without you being there first. So it's up to you if you want them to wait for you before they can get in, or if you want them to be able to join and wait for you. I would always, you want to record it. So that way you always have it, and you can record it in your cloud, which makes it stay on zoom.com. So you don't have to worry about having it on your computer. So you want to make sure you do that so that way it always records. This is alternative host. So I will, when I do it, I will always put, I would put Tiffany's name in there. I don't think that she has signed up yet to do it, but you would put whoever is an alternative host there. But we're going to keep it blank for right now because you can't add you yet. So this is your meeting, super, super easy. And say you want to add it to your calendar or add it to other people's calendars, you just click your Google Calendar and it'll take it and it'll put it wherever you want it to be with the Zoom link, which is really, really cool. So you will have your meeting ID, require meeting password. So this is the password. You can change the password if you wanted to. So if you edit this meeting and how we said that we want a password, so you could change it right here if you want to PC rules, whatever makes it super easier for people to remember if you want. We probably do want a password for productivity coaching. That way they have to have the password to be able to get in there with you. It's up to you if you want a password or not. Just makes it a little bit more, just make sure that they have the password or they're going to be calling you for it. So we'll save it. There's the password, and this is how you invite people. You can just give them this link and it'll take them straight to that, or you can copy the invitation right here and it gives you the whole thing, and you can copy and paste, email, whatever you want to do. So it's really pretty simple, and that is it. You can change some of your settings if you'd like, but that's it. So let's start the meeting, and I will show you how to go Facebook Live. So here we are. Everybody knows how to work it. I'm muted, don't need to be unmuted. So literally all you have to do is you go down to the more button. Now you have to be a host or a co-host to be able to go Facebook Live. So if you are not one of those things, you have to make sure you are. So if you sign in under this email, you will automatically be a host. And I will add another co-host, being as Tiffany Smith, or so she can sign in from wherever she wants, or from your own personal, and then you would also be co-host. But nobody else can go Facebook Live unless they are host or co-host. And that is how you could go here and change all that stuff. So you just go to more and literally go live on Facebook. It's that easy. So this wants me to log into my Facebook. So I will do that so I can show you how to go live. And so it automatically takes me to Facebook Live. I want to allow, So go live on Facebook. Where do I want to post it? So I would like to post it in a group or on my timeline or on a page I manage. So depending on what it is, that's just where you would post it. So I would want to share this one in the KW Agents group. Keep it private. And it's preparing my live stream bit preview. Sometimes it takes a minute. So if you want to go live, you might want to get there before a few people get there and do it, or make sure you're not having to talk while you're trying to do it, because it does take a minute. Sometimes it gets kind of stuck doing the Facebook Live, and you have to go in and clear your cache and clear your history in your browser and try it again. So sometimes it just gets, that is what Google recommended. If the Facebook Live is taking a while or not working, you just need to go in and clear your browser. So this obviously is unable to stream the video. So I'm having that same problem. So we are going to clear my browsing data. So that way it'll work. So you got to see an example of what you got to do to make your Facebook work on this sometimes. So I'm going to go back to my Zoom app, and I'm going to try it again and see if that makes a difference. Log in. And I want to go live again in a group, and KW Agent and Admin. And let's see if this works. We're going to accept. Come on. Work. Like I said, it takes a minute. So it's good to do it beforehand or get it ready. I don't do the live producer. It doesn't work that well. So this is it. That's my live stream in the background. So you usually want a title. So we're just going to put PC coaching, whatever you're doing. And then literally you're going to go live. And that's it. and it will automatically take it to that page and go live, and then you can do whatever else you want with it. Now when you do live Facebook, it automatically records to that page or that group that you put it on, so you don't have to worry about reposting it anywhere on Facebook after you have went live, because it automatically records it and it stays on your timeline until you delete it. So it's kind of a cool catch. And then you can also download from Facebook as well. So that is it on that. So let's end this meeting. And let me show you how to. So here we are back in. There we go. So we are back in the profile, and it's making me sign back in. Okay, because I have multiple Zooms, so that's why it's making me sign in again. It usually keeps you. Okay, so to be able to pull your recordings, you would literally go down here to recordings, and it would show you everything that you have recorded. It's super simple, and you can share it from here anywhere you want, copy it and paste it, or you can download it and you just download it. And we're allowing it. So I just wanted to make sure that you were clear on when you're allowing a participant to auto log in without you having to accept it. That is where on your meetings that you would have put that the enable join before host. So that means that they can log in without you having to accept it. So that's exactly where you'd want to go there. So that is pretty much it on recordings. And then when you go and you find your recording, you will see that you get an audio version that's just audio, and then you also get a video version, which is video. That makes sense. It's pretty easy, not too bad. And so that is it. And then I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube video in my next video. Let me know if you have any questions.